Here, just a quick little recording of the tweening process and creating a symbol process that we did in class for our animation in Adobe Animate. We have our Animate file open that we created the last class that has our background, our sunshine, our clouds, and our flowers. We went ahead and hid each of those 4 layers and locked them. Once we did that, we opened up the EPS file called Springtime Animation file inside our announcement section, and we had this little thing right here that has all of these little vector pieces already created for us. Remember that we did object ungroup, and we ungrouped any of the elements that were grouped, like so the surfboards are grouped, object ungrouped. Now, once we had them ungrouped, we went in and we selected our pieces. So the very first thing we did was select our background piece, and we did Command C, which is copy. We went into our Animate file, so let's go into our Animate file, and we pasted it. And so you will see that our beach layer is pasted. Now, remember, you always move your timeline tracker or your ticker tape back to frame 1, and I'm gonna repaste it just so that you can see the process. I'm gonna do Command V. And remember, we chose the AI importer, so here it is. Once we imported it, we held down Shift and blew it up, and we dropped it right into our document like that. I'm going to go ahead and trash that because I already have my beach layer. Now, when we pasted our beach layer in, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it, and we scaled it up, right? Here it is. We scaled it up. We converted it by going to Modify, Convert to Symbol. Now in class, we talked about how there are 3 symbols inside Adobe Animate. There is a graphic or static symbol. There is a button symbol, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is a graphic that is interactive with your mouse, which creates the opportunity for clickability or hyperlinks. And there is movie clips. Movie clip is the symbol we're going to create all of our assets with right now, so that we have the ability to put animations inside of the symbol. So think of the symbol as a group frozen object that has behavioral assets attached to them, and we want movie clips. So we want to be able to have animation inside of the grouped object. So we did a movie clip, and remember that over here, our symbols are created. Now, this is our symbol library. We want to make sure that each object that we copy and paste in, we make a symbol by doing Modify, Convert to Symbol. We want to make sure that we're always on keyframe 1 so that each symbol starts on keyframe 1. I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. And we should name our symbol all lowercase. So you're going to notice I have beach, bird 1, bus, cloud 1, cloud 2. Now, we copied in each one of the assets from our vector file. There are 6 clouds. There are 5 birds. There is 1 background image. There is 1 sun. There is 1 bus. There are 2 surfboards. There are 3 plants. And there are 3 flowers. In the end, copying each one at a time, Modify, Convert to Symbol, make it a movie clip, and name it what it is, and the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for clouds. So clouds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Birds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plants 1, 2, and 3. Flowers 1, 2, and 3. And white surfboard and yellow surfboard. You will have 21 separate layers with keyframes only at frame number 1. So you'll notice my bus, it is frame number 1. It is a keyframe, has a little black dot.